What if I told you a humble can from your pantry could turn plain chicken into the most insane rice killer you've ever tasted? Today we're making Claypot Chicken with Black Bean Dace, a classic Cantonese home-cooked dish that's been passed down for generations. Here's everything you'll need: 1 kilo of chicken, soy sauce, brown sugar, salt, white pepper, and a little oil for the marinade. Then we've got 100 grams of shallots, 50 grams of garlic, 30 grams of ginger, some spring onions, and of course, the star of the show, 1 can of fried dace with black bean. Simple ingredients, but the flavor, absolutely next level. First, open your can of fried dace and cut it into smaller pieces using a scissor right inside the can. Pro tip, don't throw away that oil inside. It is pure flavor. We'll be using that too. All right, heat your clay pot, add some oil, and once it's hot, sauté your ginger, garlic, and shallots for about 3 minutes until they're golden and fragrant. And I'm telling you, the moment this hits the pan, your whole kitchen is going to smell amazing. Now add your marinated chicken. This chicken was marinated with soy sauce, brown sugar, salt, white pepper, and a little oil for at least 1 hour. Let it sear a little before you start stirring. We want that color and that crust. Then in goes our fried dace with black bean. The fish breaks down as it cooks, infusing every single piece of chicken with that deep, savory, umami-packed black bean flavor. This is where the magic happens. Cover the clay pot and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. No peeking too much. Let the steam do its work. When it's done, top it off with freshly chopped spring onions and serve it hot over steaming white rice. And there you have it, clay pot chicken with black bean dace. Easy, budget-friendly, and absolutely packed with flavor. This is the kind of dish that makes you eat 3 cups of rice without even noticing. If you tried this recipe, drop a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. We've got so much more coming your way. See you in the next one.